Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to add links. As you can see, there are links on the side that if you click on them, they'll go to a page. So that is what you're going to be setting up in this lesson. So let's go to the original site, and you want to go ahead and click on Home, and up here where it says New Page, click on that to set up your new page. And I'll call this Example 1. Make sure it's put at the top level. If we wanted to put it under the Home category, we would select this. But we want it at the same level as Home, so we'll go ahead and create. And now I'll go ahead and save that. You'll add your images later. So I'm going to continue to add these links on the side. Just so you know, you don't have to click on Home to add Example 4, 5, and so forth. You could just go to the new page and then set it up, Example 4 in this case, and then just make sure it's at the top level. A really important tip I want to demonstrate is notice that after I added Example 10, it should be under Example 9, but it's under Example 1. So to fix that, you would click on Edit Sidebar underneath, and when you get here, you click on Edit where it says Navigation. That would be under Site Layout. So click on the Edit option, and then if you deselect Automatically Organize My Navigation, you can see your navigation scheme. So what you want to do is you click on Example 10 and notice the arrows on the right over here. So click down until Example 10 is where you want that. So that is something that might come in handy. Once you've done that, say OK, make sure you click Save, and then you can go back to your site to start editing your website. I went ahead and did a little write-up for the home page, and I'm going to go ahead and add a small image just to complement that home page. So I'll go to Photoshop. Once Photoshop is open, I'm going to go ahead and open one of my favorite images that I manipulated during this project. So I'll go ahead and open that up. Now it's a pretty good size. I don't want it to be this large for my home page. So I'm going to go image size, and make sure Constrained Proportions is selected, otherwise your image will be very distorted. So maybe I'll choose 250 pixels wide, and I'll go ahead and do File, Save for Web. I'll go ahead and save it in that folder where I've been putting everything else, and I'll just call it Home Image and save it. I'll go ahead and return to my website, make sure that I go into Edit Mode. I'm going to click in front of Welcome where I want the image, and I'm going to choose Insert Image. I'll browse for the image, and now I'm going to go ahead and locate where I put that image, and there's the home image. I'll say OK. Now I want the text to wrap around that image. So notice when you click on the image, a little menu pops up down below. You're going to click on Wrap On, and then go ahead and save. And now the text will be wrapped around that image. There's one more link that needs to be added to this website. So go ahead and click on New Page and put Thanks. And then make sure it's at the top level and choose Create. And you can just write Special Thanks. And then you're going to want to thank the sites that you used. So you would start listing those websites that were used for this project. It's the right thing to do. Now, I didn't change my font. I'm going to go ahead, for all my font, I'm going to set it to size 16, and I'm going to come up here and set it to Georgia so that there's a consistency in my font scheme, so you can see that. So that's important for web design, that you have the same consistent font throughout for your website. So this concludes the section on setting up your links. The next one is going to talk about adding the actual images that you manipulated in Photoshop. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.